Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the best way to do affiliate marketing in 2018. Alright, so I hope you're super excited, and if you are, go ahead and give me a thumbs up because we're going to get right into the content. Now, if this is your first time here, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom that you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I drop any new videos on this channel, you never miss them. Alright, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we're here on clickbank.com. Alright, now the reason we're on here is I'm going to be showing you my results over the past 2.5 months or so. Now the reason I'm doing this right is not to boast, it's not to brag or anything like that. What it is me trying to press upon you that it's very possible to make money on the internet, right? I want you to put that in your mind and believe it because it's possible, right? Never give up on yourself and think, oh man, I'll never make this happen. Guys, I started back in 2014. And guys, it took me about 6 months to start making my a dollar on the internet, right? So I just want to say that to give you some inspiration. All right, so let's get right into the content. All right, so I'm going to show you my results. So if I scroll down here, all right, so my first month I made $672 and some change. All right. And then my next month, which you can see right here, last month I made $1,182.63. Okay, and so far this month, right, current sales, I've made $121, right, so far this month, right. So and then of course there are refunds. That's natural, guys. That's something that happens. All right. Now, so roughly that's about $1,700, right, and that's why you see that in the title. All right. So that covers the income. We're going to go ahead and move on to the actual strategy here in a minute, but I want to show you something, right? And this was actually a milestone for me. All right, so this is the actual 4% group, guys. I had a big milestone because, like I said, I started back in 2014, and this was the first time that I was on a leaderboard, guys. So this is how I know that, you know, I'm getting better with what I do, but really what's happening is I'm following step by step what's being laid out in the 4% challenge. All right, so let me read this to you. So I made this post in the group, and it got a lot of engagement behind it, you know, because we support each other in this group. You know what I mean? All right, so I said, so I just logged into 4% for the first time today, and boom, hit the leaderboards. Let's go. Right, and I want to give you a little inspiration here, right? So consistency, blind faith, and never giving up has propelled me forward. And remember, if you can think about it, you can make it happen. All right, and then you'll see right here, boom, there I go right there on the leaderboard, guys. That was a big milestone for me, right? And it continued to, and it pushed me even more because I want to continue to see myself there. All right. Alright, so I'll go ahead and get that out of the way. Like I said, it got a ton of engagement and people just congratulating me. Now, the strategy that I want to show you, right? And it's super powerful. So let's get into it. Alright, so what you're going to be doing, this is step number 1. You're going to be finding affiliate products that are soon to be released. And I'll show you a website that allows you to do that here in a moment. Alright, now, when you find those products that are going to be soon released, right, what you want to do is you want to go to the website. So let me actually just go over here to the website and show you what you're going to do. All right, so this is jvnotifypro.com. You're going to type that in, and it's going to bring you to this site. Now, I have an account there. You can go ahead and create yourself an account, but just for now, just pay attention to what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to scroll down. This is the home page, and I'm just going to scroll down until I start seeing dates. Alright, so you see this right here? These are all product launches, products that are going to be launched soon. Now, as we can see, today is actually the May 7th. So if we look, let me actually click on this JV product launch calendar. Alright, so now you can see all the products that all the way out to August 1st, alright, that are going to be launched. So what you want to do here, guys, and this is super powerful. I've done it multiple times. and it just really gives you a ton of traffic at once. All right, so let's say, for instance, since it's the 7th, let's say I was going to try to do a launch for this product right here, Action Taker software. All right, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click JV Invite page. Now it's going to take me to the JV page, which is the page where affiliates come and get their affiliate links, any tools that the vendor gives you so you can promote even better. Right, this is where you're gonna come. All right, so for this particular one, it says make over $213.95 per visitor. You send this May 14th at 9 a.m. All right, so it looks like they're doing a $500 contest, 100% instant commissions from front end sales, and then 50% instant commissions from the upsells and downsells. And it's going to be a 4-day launch. Keep this in mind, guys, because this is going to be important. All right, so let's keep going down. As you can see, this is actually on Warrior Plus. Sometimes it can be on ClickBank, sometimes it can be on JVZoo. So what I recommend you do is go ahead and create yourself an account on all of those different affiliate networks, so that anytime you come here, if you really want to promote something, you can literally just click here and it's going to bring you to if you're already signed in, it's going to bring you to your affiliate network signed into your account. Alright, so what you would do, what I usually do is I'll see the preview of the sales page to see if I really want to promote this. Alright, and then I'll kind of just observe, okay, what will you do when your customers ask, do you have more? Can I, more I can buy? And then just kind of look at, you know, what they're offering, right? What the product is talking about, so that when we get to the next step, everything will make sense, right? And you'll be able to elaborate, you know, really elaborate on this product. All right, so keep going down, you know, just kind of observe, see what it's about. And then what you're going to be doing now is, okay, you took a look at the page. Now you're going to go over here to Warrior Plus, right? And I actually have a Warrior Plus account. I'm not signed in at the moment, right? But let me just show you what you would do. So you've already saw the sales page, right? So you don't really need to click here. But what you want to do, let me actually go ahead and sign in to see what to show you what it would actually look like when you go to request. All right, so you see it says you must be approved by OB Marketing to promote this offer. So you're going to go ahead and click request approval. Right now, the reason you're going to be doing this, right, and you saw that this won't be released until May 14th, right, which is 7 days from today. So the reason you're doing this early is, first off, you're going to be able to, it's going to give you more time to get approved to promote this, right? That's the first reason. The second reason is you're going to be creating an overview video. So the product is not released yet, right? I want you to understand that. The product is not released, but with you being able to get that information, remember what we looked at right here? We saw, you know, this page, and we kind of see, okay, here's the dates for it. This is when it's going to start, and this is when it's going to end. So the end launch will be May 17th. So what you would want to do right now, we're exactly a week out, right? Which isn't a bad, you know, time to put together an overview video, like a little summary of what the product is actually going to be about. And then you want to go ahead and post that video and use YouTube SEO, which I'll leave a link in the description for my free cheat sheet if you want to learn exactly how to do that. And you can just go ahead and download the cheat sheet and then go throughout the free course. All right, so I'll leave that in the link to that in the description. It's absolutely free. All right, now you're going to be using that strategy from that cheat sheet to rank your video. Now, I want to state this again. The product isn't out yet, but the reason you're doing this is so as you get closer to when the product launches, guess what? People are going to start to search for it because they're going to be promoting that product, right? It's going to have, especially if it's a big launch. So come the live day when it launches, guess who's going to get all the traffic? You are, right? And I've done this time and time again, guys, because you don't really have to worry about competition, because guess what? Your video has been up for a week or 2 weeks, right? So YouTube kind of gives a little bit more oomph to videos that are already out, right? Especially if they're already generating traffic, right? That watch time. Guess who's going to hold that spot for some time? Now, there's a possibility you may get bumped down if you're not doing your YouTube SEO correct. But if you're doing it like, you know, the link in the description is going to show you, right? It's the one that says free course plus cheat sheet. Then there should be no reason why you should fall. Okay, so you got the first part of the strategy. You want to do anywhere, right? Let's go to my notepad. 2 weeks before the launch. So in this case, we're 1 week out. It will probably still work, but you want to go at least 2 weeks out from when you're going to be, from when the product is actually going to go live. All right. So you've done your overview video at least 1 to 2 weeks before it launches. Now you're going to do your live back office video showing the product in action. Now that's going to be on the actual day that it launches. So this product actually launches on May 5th. Well, no, wait. That's the early bird price launch. And then this is the regular launch. So this actually releases on the 14th, pretty much going into the 15th. So you want to go ahead and purchase on that day, right? Go ahead and buy the product so you can go through the product and give a genuine review, whether it's garbage or it's the best thing out there. All right. And you're going to be able to find that out by going through the product. Now, some of you, maybe you don't have, you know, money to really buy the product. Another thing you can do is you can reach out to the vendors and ask, hey, man, I'm really looking forward to promoting your product. I have, you know, maybe you may have a big list, or maybe you have a YouTube channel and you're just really looking to help them out. Now, most vendors, they'll be willing to do it because they want to get their product out there. All right. So those are 2 ways you can go about it. Now, the fastest way to do it is just to buy it because you're going to get access to it immediately. Now, when you reach out and ask them, maybe they're busy and they can't get back to you maybe a day or 2 days. Now, you're kind of messing up your campaign. All right. So you on the day of the launch, you buy it, you go through it, and then at that point, as you're going through it, create your live back office video showing them inside the product, showing them what it's doing, you know, what it does, and if it's a software, how is it going to be beneficial to their business. Now, a little tip I'll give you that can also increase your conversions is, let's say you go ahead and buy it, and you know the launch still not over yet. You can go ahead and start implementing what's being taught or showing them how the software works. And, you know, getting to the point where you can get yourself some results. So when you do your review, you can show, hey, this is what the product is, blase, blase. And then you can say, okay, and this is what I did, and these are the results I did. That's really going to increase your conversions. All right. And the next thing I'm going to be talking about is also going to increase your conversions. Okay. So let's go back to the notepad. So we covered the overview video, which is a week to 2 weeks before it launches. Now, the live back office video, that's on the launch date. Buy it or request a demo. All right. And then the last is to create a bonus video before the launch ends. So before, in this case, before May 17th, so technically almost doing it the next day or 2 days after it launches, right? And then what you could do is you create a bonus video. Now, in this bonus video, you're going to be talking about, because the product is already out. You've already put out your overview. You've already put out your back office. Now, the bonus, the purpose for the bonus is to increase your conversions, right? Now, I'll be honest, I bought products literally only because of the bonuses, right? I want to be completely transparent here. I've only bought certain products because they had some crazy bonuses and I wanted those bonuses. So you got to think, if I'm buying a product because of a bonus, then wouldn't that work? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like if I'm doing it, I know other people are doing it as well. You see what I mean? And I've done it before. I'll actually show you a video I did it in. So if I go to Online Sales Pro, I'll type that in and you'll see my video. Okay, so here's my video right here, ranking number 3, right? Now, on the video, as you can see, that's 34 minutes long. Now, You know, I was actually pretty nervous in this video. As you can see, it was 1 year ago and it has 9,000, almost 10,000 views. Now, guys, I almost didn't do this video. I was super nervous. I was just thinking to myself, what are people going to say? Are they going to like it? And look at that, guys. Almost 10,000 views 1 year ago, and up to this date, that video has made me over $2,000. And I was nervous, guys, and I'm being completely transparent. I was so nervous. All right. Now, what I did in that video is I gave, instead of doing like what we're doing here, breaking it into 3 videos, I kind of put everything into one video, and it worked out pretty well. All right. And what I did in the video, I said anybody who takes action will add you to the Facebook group, and I'll also do a one-on-one call with you, right? So get on a Skype call, kind of walk you through getting started, right? So that was a bonus. You see what I mean? I'm adding them to the Facebook group with over now up to 25,000 people in that group, and then I'm getting on a call with them, right? So it's preparing them, and it can be as simple as that with bonuses. Or what happens is once you're on here, sometimes what the vendors will do is they'll say, okay, we have some bonuses with this, so you can use these as leverage as the affiliate. All right, so you don't always have to create your own bonuses. You can either buy bonuses from like JVZoo or something, or they'll already have the bonuses, or you can give your own bonuses, right? So you have 3 different choices that you can go about doing this. All right, so let me go ahead and close this out. Go ahead and close that out. So guys, just kind of look over this. I'll let you look over this just for a second, or you can pause the video, whatever you want to do. But that is the strategy, guys, and it's worked for me time and time again. Let's go back to YouTube. I actually want to show you this real quick. I almost forgot. So I use similar strategy with the 4% challenge. All right, so let's go ahead and type 4% challenge review. All right, so as you can see, I'm ranking number 4. This may or may not be exact because I am logged in, but let's just be accurate with it, right? If I'm going to show you, I'd rather be accurate. All right, so YouTube, and we're going to type 4% challenge in. All right. I meant to type review. All right, 4% challenge review. So I'm ranking number 4 for that specific term. All right, so this was my first video that I did on 4% challenge review, basically giving an overview of the program. All right, then I came back and I said 4% challenge review and results. All right, so I did a results video. So I came back and I said, okay, this is what I was able to do within my first month. So you've seen that I gave the overview, and then I came back and shared my results, right? So I think I'm ranking for this term too. Okay, so here we go right here. Rakeem Addison ranking. I'm ranking within the top 15, so I'm doing pretty all right. All right, and then results. So I shared my results and kind of went over the program in a little bit more detail. So same kind of strategy. I just didn't use three videos. All right, so guys, that is the strategy. I hope that you got some value from this video. I truly do. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tick that bell icon, and yeah, don't forget the link is in the description for my free course plus the cheat sheet. Now, if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch, then go ahead and click the first link in the description, which is my #1 recommended way to make a full-time income online. All right, so with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.